Hey guys, quick video about the one sector that normally does good during such market conditions, and that is the healthcare sector. So the all-time winner over the last few days has been the healthcare stocks such as RGN, LLY, anything that has to do with something that is going to do well, no matter whether the market's going to drop, go higher, whatever. I mean, the number of people that would love to consume weight loss products in the United States by no means is going to go down. It's always going to be going up. So because we eat crap, most of the people, they don't pay attention what goes into the food they eat. Look, we're not going to get into that discussion. The point is this, okay? Everybody needs what Eli Lilly, or almost everyone, manufacturing the drug. And yesterday had major catalyst, one of the greatest catalysts, that basically makes that drug available in a much faster way directly for their website. So this was a huge step. And per market, the stock was up, and then we had this crazy sell-off right at the open. So we're basically getting in on calls right here. We started buying calls at 620, 617, 614, guys. And then within minutes, right, we're at 636. And at this point, we're at 4x. Most of the time, most of us were buying like 640 strikes, 645, 635, even 650s went up, double, triple X within this time frame right here. And then something really weird happens, right? Somebody starts selling the shit, but on very, very low volume. Look, there's no volume. So they were buying it right here in strong volume. There's like no volume here. Nobody's fucking buying it, right? So there's a great lesson to be learned from this. Generally, this stock should be up. And so, you know, let's glance at like some of these charts, right? To help you understand this just a little bit better. Okay, so look at this chart. I mean, this is a thing of beauty, right? I mean, you got a drug approval right here. You got strong consolidation for multiple months. And finally, the stock gets yesterday to a point that is above the prior highs. And it gets there on strong volume before. And so at the point we're entering the trade, it's just like all the candles are gray, which represents strong buying. You got a bullish crossover right here. You've got the accumulation distribution is just like at the fucking top. The only thing that I could find that was negative here on the chart is this bearish divergence, right? So you got a strong RSI here, weaker RSI, and here. But in instances, right, when the stock gets to a level like this, it's not even a very, very well-defined level, but I mean, it is a level, right? So the two prior highs right here, I mean, it was on track. When the stock broke out above 630, right, it broke above those two levels on very, very strong volume. Considering the catalyst, considering that healthcare is the top stock, considering how long this thing has been consolidated. I mean, this stock, guys, regardless of what it does today could outperform on the bullish side pretty much everything out there. Could it dip more first thing in the morning? Sure, but I think at some point it's going to find equilibrium. This is one of our top loan ideas. Again, 700 target on this stock, guys, over the course of next few weeks. That's a fact. I mean, I think there's a chance it could hit 700 next week, just depending how horrendous will things get. And there's probably something, because all of a sudden accumulation dips yesterday. So maybe just somebody maybe bought the stock here. They just decide, hey, but they certainly damaged the perfect, probably 20, 30x trade for us yesterday by unloading some of this. So this was highly, highly unexpected, right? I mean, you got a level, already conquered the level on increase in volume. You've got bullish crossover right here. You got everything bullish. You got one fucking thing bearish, right here, which is bearish RSI divergence. But the reason why, in certain instances, when you got like 10 bullish signals, you got one bear signal, hi, that's a chance you want to take sometimes, because there's no resistance. There's absolutely no resistance right here. And so in instances like this is how you catch some of the biggest home runs, right? Especially when you understand that, look, financial institutions, the big pension funds, they have to buy something. They're not allowed to short things, right? They can put a hedge, like, they could buy SPY puts to hedge maybe some of their positions, but they always have to find some kind of sector that's going to outperform. So when we glance at the sector, right, like take a look, Amgen, right? That's healthcare, also associated with weight loss drugs. I mean, look at this move expansion. Look at this, like, I mean, this is there's nothing here. The accumulation distribution can still shoot higher here. You had a bullish cross right here. You had everything beautiful, with the exception of this one big red candle right here. So, I mean, this sector, I mean, look at some other stocks in this sector, right? Our all-time favorite here at 13 Market Moves, REGN. Look, what has the market been doing in the last 4 days? It's been dropping. Look at this shit. It's been going from 840 to 920, almost a 100-point move. And at the same time yesterday, I've noticed when LLY was selling, okay, REGN was selling as well. Now, the healthcare sector is not just going to reverse from such a bullish momentum. Look, this stock, just like LLY, it has taken out every freaking level. Look at it, okay? But look at this moment. So it gets perfect catalyst. So I think the possibility of something like this happening just one day with Eli Lilly, and it could reverse much higher from there, is a possibility. Unfortunately, there's also a slight possibility of it maybe moving lower for a couple of days before it resumes the way higher. But for some of you guys that are looking for a great long idea, just because you're not comfortable with shorting things, just because you always want to buy some and watch it go higher, guys, this is the sector. This is your sector that is proven in many instances over history. While the rest of the stocks dropping, these stocks go up. You don't have to look no further. Just look at all these examples I've just given you, okay? And look, they have all of these stocks have been up in the last few days while the market has been dropping, and look by how much. I mean, there's days where these things have been up 30, 40 points. Okay, some of these stocks, like this one. So, guys, the point is, this sector, maybe yesterday, I'm thinking despite of all these great bullish catalysts for Eli Lilly, okay, maybe it was just a temporary downturn, which represents a great buy and great entry. You want to buy, if you want to long something, you want to buy it when something dips. And so right now could be a great moment for Eli Lilly stock, but be careful, depending on what the market does today and how the job report will play out, okay, we're going to have a huge spike in the stocks, despite of them basically selling them into the close yesterday. We're going to have a complete reversal today, because one of the reasons they could have sold them going into the close yesterday, thinking, okay, well, maybe this is the time for technology sector to rally higher, so let's go ahead and collect some gains on these stocks, which are up like huge, 10, 15%, 20% for some of them. Let's go ahead and collect some gains here, and then let's wait out tomorrow. But I think there could be a pivotal level today if RGM continues dropping, if LLY continues dropping. There's going to be a pivotal moment from which they're gonna find a spot and they're going to begin rallying. So if you love to buy calls and you're looking for a call idea, these stocks could definitely outperform anything else that is out there right now. So healthcare, overall we're bulls, but doesn't, just like in this stock, it's such a perfect chart, perfect crossover, perfect everything on this one, right? It doesn't stop it, unfortunately, from making a short-term top, reversing for a little bit, and then continuing here. So understand that things like that could happen. There's nothing perfect in the stock market, but your goal as a trader, guys, to see, try to decipher what's going on, stay with 13 Market Moves to get an idea when these pivotal critical moments could take place. And sometimes you could still miscalculate it by a second. The trade was doing 4x on Eli Lilly yesterday. And so today you have even a greater opportunity, I think, as far as the entry. If you care to be a bull on the healthcare sector, this could be a moment of a great entry. Guys, don't miss the next video where I'm going to review a bunch of charts. Very, very important. I'll see you guys in the next video. if you want to understand how to catch some of these breakaway trades, guys, we have a chart diversity course that gives you hundreds and hundreds of examples. So if you understand chart patterns for our chart diversity course, definitely increase your probability of conquering the market. One of the greatest trades we've caught in the last couple of years was mRNA, when it went from like $80 all the way to 480, and it had very identical setup to this. So I would say REGN, we're going to see the stock at some point in the next couple of months at over $1,000. That's not going to be an issue. But there's some other ones, right, that we're eyeballing for a huge breakout, similar chart patterns, okay, that I think are going to outperform this. So if you care to know what they are, sign up at 13marketmoves.com or 13mmtv.com. Talk to a trading coach here today, guys. Let's roll. Big trading day ahead. Let's make it happen.
Do you know what is actually the best day of the week to day trade and why? I'm about to show you something that most of day traders don't even dream about, and what all the trading gurus, coaches, and experts think is absolutely impossible. Now, the reason why they think that is because they all learned the same courses on trading, like basic stuff like trade the trend, guys. That's not gonna make you any money. So if you're tired of your account going nowhere, if you're tired of losing money, pay attention. Now, I'm super busy trading, so I'm actually gonna have Monica walk you through details. Now, all the experts will tell you, don't trade on Fridays. Why? Because they've been taught and conditioned to think that. Because they don't know the secrets that I know. I'm about to reveal to you that exactly the opposite is true. The only day you want to day trade is on Friday. Check out some of my recent Friday trades. 1,000 to 4,300, 2,000 to 26,000, 2,000 to 53,000 day trading, 4,000 to 63,000 day traded, 4,000 to $144,000 in under 8 hours day traded. The reason why they don't think this is possible is because they don't know what I know and what my students know. Now check out my students. 195,000 in day trading profits recently. 356,000 in trading profits recently. If you've been going to countless webinars trying to learn how to trade, if you've been taking courses where everybody's teaching you the same stuff over and over again, no wonder why your account is stuck. No wonder why you're trading the stock. Guys, if you're tired of sales pitches, countless webinars, and all the same stuff that everybody's trying to teach you when it comes to day trading and swing trading, let me show you how real trading is done. Watch me trade live right now, 4K to 63K in under 9 hours. All trades are triple verified by independent agencies. Stop wasting time doing the same thing over and over again. Stop the excuses. This is real. This is possible. Let me show you how you can learn the formula that can allow you to trade like this. If you're ready to take your trading game to the next level, let's roll. Click the link somewhere around this video. Click the button somewhere around this video and watch now or forever regret not knowing the secrets that could have finally taken your trading game to the ultimate victory in a Super Bowl of trading. Let's roll. Ready to take your trading skills to the next level, guys? Let's do this. I'm gonna have Monica take it over from here. On the next page, make sure, don't be shy, say hi to Monica. She is ready to reveal the secrets of trading like a rock star. Just click the watch now button. Be nice to her. Don't be flirting now. Click the watch now button and let the show begin.